Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you how to set up profile settings. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and select your profile. Enter settings, and here you can set up profile settings. For example, you can set up assistant, you can change username, change user image, or remove user. Next, you can protect content and enable profile synchronization. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.